Hey everyone, it's Miss Lacey here, the Teen Services Librarian at the South Regional Branch. And today I'm going to show you this week's snack attack, which is the Halloween edition. Alright, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make Halloween chocolate bar. Then after we finish that, I'll show you how to make a candy corn punch drink. So let's go ahead and get started with what you're going to need for this. You're going to need a cookie sheet lined in wax paper or parchment paper. You'll need a spoon for mixing and a spatula for scraping. You're going to need a microwave-safe bowl to heat up the chocolate. We've got a handful of some mini Kit Kats, a little bowl of some Reese's Pieces because it's perfect for the color that we're going for. However, if you have an allergy to peanuts, you can always substitute this with M&Ms. I added some chopped up pieces of mini Reese's peanut butter cups. We have a cup of candy corn. And we have some edible candied eyes. So the first thing is you'll need a pack or two of these. I'm going to go ahead and do two because I want lots of chocolate. And I got semi-sweet chocolate morsels. We're going to take this to the microwave and microwave it for 30-second intervals and stir, and then put it back in for 30 seconds and stir until it's all good and melted. You don't want to go longer than 30 seconds at a time though, because you can burn the chocolate, and once it's burnt, it separates and it's just no good. You might as well throw it in the trash. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's starting to melt, but still not done yet. So after about 5 30-second intervals, it's nice and melted. So now we're ready to go pour it on our baking sheet. Use your spatula so you can scrape it all off. Alright, so now I'm going to smooth it out. And you want to leave the chocolate about a 1/4 inch thick. Now we're going to scatter all the pieces around. Hurry up before it dries. And sprinkle some Reese's Pieces in the holes. Reese's peanut butter cups. I got some little chopped up pieces and some that are bigger, just for those special spots. And I may have made too much, but that's okay. You can't go wrong with too many pieces of candy. But I'll make them fit. All right. So then we're gonna add some eyeballs. Gotta make these things have faces. So we're gonna put the eyeballs kind of together. So it's like looking like monsters, and I'll get y'all close up once I'm done. So let's go ahead and add some candy corn. So this could be for Halloween, it also could be just for fall. Super easy, and this is all stuff that you can find at the grocery store, especially during this time of the year. All right, I think we're pretty good. So now we're gonna take it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so for the second part of this segment, I'm gonna show you how to make a candy corn punch drink. You're gonna need ice, you're gonna need a clear glass, you're gonna need 0 sugar lemonade vitamin water, yellow Gatorade, orange soda, then whipped cream for garnish, and candy corn for garnish. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is fill up your glass all the way with ice. You have to pour these liquids in a very important order for this to work correctly. Pour the orange soda, and we're gonna fill up the glass about 1/3 of it. Okay, then next, We're gonna slowly pour the yellow Gatorade directly on top of the ice and let it trickle down on top of the orange soda until it fills 2/3 of the glass. And then last, slowly pour the lemonade on top of the ice and let it trickle down on top of the Gatorade. White, yellow, and orange. And garnish it with some candy corn. And then a cute straw. And you don't want to mix it, otherwise you won't get the effect. But there you have it, candy corn punch. So today we have made Halloween bark candy corn punch. That is it for your Snack Attack Halloween edition. It's chocolate, y'all. You can't go wrong.